The white-eared bulbul, which is a member of bulbul family, is also known as the white-cheeked bulbul. It is often found in the southwest parts of Asia, ranging from India to the Arabian Peninsula. These species are categorized under superspecies group, which means the different members of the bulbul family are closely related to each other. Also, they can be geographically separated, which have evolved from different populations of the same parent species, and can interbreed and produce fertile offspring when brought into contact. In appearance, these species is very similar to the Himalayan white-cheeked bulbul, but smaller in shape and uncrested. They have a larger white-cheeked patch and a pale bare ivory. The vent is orange-yellow in color. It is often found in scrub forest and garden lands, which is usually seen in pairs or in flocks. The white-eared bulbul's diet is generally consist of seeds, fruits, and insects. These species is generally breeds on the second quarter of the year, that is starting from March to June. Thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this brief introduction on white-cheeked bulbul. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.